Today is 27th of November. My husband's birthday's today. So we are going to... Where are we going? Where are we going?
Buy cake.
Buy cake. Okay. So mag-buy po kami ng cake. So labas na tayo, guys. Ito na po siya.
Contact by load.
Okay. So guys, at home na kami guys. So bumili kami ng Goldilocks. Alam niyo na yan. Nasabi ko na yan kanina. So open natin yung Goldilocks guys. Wow, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng forest. Ang sarap ng forest. Ayan. Not there. Here. Blow the candle. Careful the chocolate. I help you?
Help me.
Yes. Yeah.
Shades for you.
Wow.
Fresh, nice.
Birthday lang. Love ko yan. Kami lang dalawa nag-celebrate ang birthday niya. 69 years old na po siya today. How old are you now?
69.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Ayan, i-wish ko sa birthday ng asawa ko is sana laging gabayan siya ni Lord at saka lagi siyang malakas at saka strong and healthy always.
Thank you.
And sana laging marami pang birthday na dumarating sa buhay niya.
It's the power of God.
Yeah, power of God.
Power of God. And you enjoy in Bangkok.
And mag-enjoy daw siya sa Bangkok.